What's up, friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a braided hairstyle. The hair that I'm going to be using is Queen Bee braid 3 times value pack. I'm just going to be using 1 pack, and I have like 1.5 bundle. I have 1.5 bundle from previously used, so I'm also going to be using that. So I'm going to start off by sectioning off my hair. So the products I'm going to be using: Quench by Aunt Jackie's, Style Factor, Edge Booster, and Blue Magic Indian Hemp. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and sectioning out my hair. I'm using a rat tail comb to give me that really nice part, and I'm going ahead and greasing my scalp with the Blue Magic Indian Hemp. So right here I'm just going ahead and parting my hair, and then I'm about to add the Aunt Jackie's Quench, and then I'm just going to brush my hair from the ends to the root, and then I'm going to begin braiding. I'm using some edge booster just to keep the hairs from connecting while I'm braiding, to give me like a really smooth look. So I go ahead and I take a little piece and then I begin. I recommend that when you're adding the hair, try to add multiple smaller pieces than adding big pieces. So I'm just gonna slow motion right here. This is how I add the hair between my middle finger and my index finger, and I just continue braiding as usual, going ahead and adding some more hair and continue braiding as usual. Okay, so while I was recording this video, I was laughing at myself because my mouth was moving like I'm acting like I'm about to eat my hair or something. It was so funny. Oh, anyways, so as I continue braiding the hair, wherever my hair stops, I go ahead and I add some edge control just to give it a really nice smooth finish, and then I continue braiding. So right here I'm just going to show you guys how I do the rest of my hair. If you are enjoying this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. So right here I'm gonna be doing my crisscross braid. So I go ahead and I section off a small section, then I part it in half, and then I'm going to part it in 4 pieces. So as you can see, I have 4 small pieces. I'm gonna tuck that away, tuck this one away, and then I'm gonna start off with those 2 pieces. And as you can see, you're gonna see I'm going to begin braiding. I like to take a small little piece, comb it out, and then begin braiding. And I'm adding hair, but I'm not adding as much hair because I want it to be not too big and chunky. So I'm just adding a little bit of hair. And then I'm going to crisscross it with each other. You'll see, it's gonna be so cute. My little Fulani inspired braids. And of course I went ahead and dipped my ends in some hot water, and I went ahead and added some mousse. So I'm just adding some water wave hair. So I'm just crocheting the pieces at the back end of the braids just to give it that little curly look. You could braid them in or you could crochet them in. I like to crochet them in because it just makes my life so much easier. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.